Hello, namaste everyone. Today I have brought you to Siswan Dam, which is 20 kilometers distance from Chandigarh, and you will reach here in just 30 minutes. Up the hill, we will reach Siswan Dam, and this is actually temporary parking. You can park your cars just like I did. You can park your cars all the way here, and this is the main entrance of Siswan Dam. You can see there are more parking inside and just front of the gate too. If you are early here, you can park your cars here. Otherwise, you have to park your cars on the road. Main entrance of Siswan Dam, and here you can see the Black Hole Cafe. It's great. I will show you later. First, we are entering the Siswan Dam. Here are the snack timings and some rules which is written. You can pause the video and read it. And this is the dam. Many of you can mistake this dam as Sukhna Lake, but it's not. It's really Siswan Dam. There you can see that's Siswan Resort. You can come here and have a stay too. And this is a little pathway. Inside the Siswan Dam, you will find this cafe canteen, and they also have sitting arrangements here too. So here we are down, and these are the boats. I will tell you the prices. Prices for the paddle boats for adults is 100 rupees per person and 50 rupees per person for child. And you can also get electric boats, which is 800 rupees for 4 person. So they have given us this life jacket, and now we will rent a boat. Let's go. We got this one. Here we are in the middle of Siswan River, and we are in the swan boat. There are our paddlers. Both of our paddlers are, I think, they are now tired. I have to do the main work, the manly main work. For some safety precautions, the physics of this paddle boat all gone. We will meet after we safely reach there back. Let's hope. So in the Siswan Dam, we have a trail too. You see this is going. The timing for this trail is 8 AM to 4 PM, and this is the satellite image of the trail. The nature trail is really beautiful. It's really good. Now we will discover this trail. Flowers you will find here in the trail are the East Indian ebony, babool, night flowering jasmine, date palm, and pallas. I climbed up a bit from that trekking track. It's really beautiful here beside the video, but beside the video too, that it will be really difficult for me to get down because it was really tough for me to get up because of that shitty road. Let's see where we can go. गाड़ी में डालना, गाड़ी कहीं स्टार्ट दे गया जोन के बाहर। मैंने कहा बंदा ना गाड़ी रोक रहा है ना ठोक रहा है, सीधा जाके खुले में रोक दी गाड़ी। मैं कर लिया, हो गया काम। अनिकेत भी मर गया जो जोन के बाहर। Here this is the Siswan Eco Hut. You can actually rent this hut. You can live in here. You can see this hut. There are total 2 to 3 huts there. One more is there, and the second one is this. You can live in here. There are 2 beds and other facilities for you. You can rent this up. I will also tell you the prices. And it's just beside the Siswan Dam. We're off from the track and we are going back to our home. Oh, there you. Someone is flying a kite from there. It was really good. We had a lot of fun and I did some off-track thing too. So let's go for the home. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Bye bye. We're entering this gorilla faced cafe. There are some sitting arrangements inside just and the above of it, and some of them is here. I think that is the kitchen. You can enjoy this view while eating. यहाँ कुछ खाने पीने का ऑर्डर हो सकता है। The way to the Siswan Dam, you will find a petrol pump in the right side of the road, and they have the local supermarket, which is called as the local store. And now here we enter the supermarket, and it looks just like this. You will also find this small dhaba which is called as Kya Khaoge. It's right here, and you can also see some good menu here. They have also some sitting good arrangements of it. They have done some good decoration too. And here is the petrol pump. And they also have a car washing center too. That's all for the video.